Hi, this is Frank with Motorsportsland here in Millcreek, Utah. Hey, we're here to talk about this exciting new fifth wheel line that we've picked up. It's just absolutely fantastic. I love all the features about this. It is the Forest River East to West Blackthorn 26RD. We're going to take you through a quick walk around the outside, go inside, show you a few features inside as well. It's just love showing these off. It's a nice small fifth wheel. I will show you around the back. It has a 2-inch receiver hitch as well with the flat 4 wiring. So a lot of people like to go with the smaller fifth wheels so they can tow a double behind them, whether it be a side-by-side 4-wheelers, a small boat, watercraft, anything like that. Walking through this, we're first looking at the 4-point auto level system. A lot of fifth wheels this size will have just the either electric jacks on the back or just a hand crank scissor jacks. These are actually a 4-point auto level system on this. Easy to use. We'll show you the controls on the other side as we walk around. Featuring the solid steps on here. Everybody knows these. They're absolutely fantastic. Really good feel walking up and down. The new handrails that they come with, very simple process on these. You actually just pull a pin, drop these out. It comes all the way down, so people that have a little hindrance on walking up steps, great feature to walk up, start from the bottom, grip on all the way, and they are very solid. I like the feel of these. We're looking at about a little over 8,200 pounds on a dry weight. So easy to tow, like we said. You're talking about a 2,500. Pulling doubles, very, very light fifth wheel as far as that goes. You can see this awning speaks for itself. It does kick out to about another 6 feet or so out here to give you just a vast amount of sit-down space out here under your awning. The LED light strip bar, as you notice, is not on the barrel. What I mean by that is the actual barrel of the awning, sometimes you have to roll it all the way out to utilize those LED lights on there. We love the fact that they're in there. You can use them when the awnings are closed or opened up. Really nice feature. Coming around the back, we do have, they don't come with the ladders anymore. We do have the Lippert system ladder assembly up on top, and you can buy the Lippert ladder, retractable ladders, which I think everybody's seen those, are great in the industry. They just hook in there, drop down, you can get up on your roof, fully walkable roof on these as well, just to mention. This is what we're talking about as far as your 2-inch receiver with your flat 4. Nice setup. I think you're about a 3,000 pound. We'll double check on that when you come in and walk through this, but a 3,000 pound hitch, if you want to beef that up more, you definitely can, but just remember your weight class behind, towing length and weight class behind a fifth wheel towing doubles does have some restrictions. Anything over 65 feet, we are talking about getting a permit for it, so that's why the nice small fifth wheels make a lot of sense. You can tell they're all nice big lit back lights, reverse lights as well. A lot of trailers do not have this, but these are all LED lights. It is housed for a backup camera, so very simple for us to process and install a backup camera on there. And we do, as you can see back here, have a nice big slide out. We do have the foil wrap, and we'll show you the drawstrings, which are really nice. They're not drawstrings, but the actual window coverings on the inside. They do have a track along the side as well as the whole top. So bringing those up and down, a lot of people have seen those blinds and get frustrated with them, but these are actually really smooth up and down transaction to close the windows, and they are foil, so they kind of just reflects that sun from the outside, so you're not burning the outside part of your actual window coverings, and we've all seen that before. Coming down here, we've seen stickers on both sides, but the Goodyear tires that these come with, they do have a 1-year no excuse up to a 5-year warranty. When we walk through on this, we'll explain a little more about that, but I think it's absolutely fantastic. Goodyear does that, and so does Forest River. Coming back here, just for clean out, nice bright LED light for nighttime clean out. We know that we don't live in a perfect world in camping, and sometimes we have to go a little later at night to go clean out. It's nice to have that capability. This housed inside, you can tell it's a 50 amp service. We do have a 50 amp plug right here. Your docking station in here is just really self-explanatory. Winterization, fill up tank, your black tank flush, your city water connection, and an outside shower. Everything's housed in here. You just flip up this little lid. It's got a nice little water tray. Drop your hoses down there, and you can close this and lock this latch up. Propane system, one on each side. You're gonna have the 7.5 gallon tanks. As we talked about your auto level system, very simple, tried and true product on the market. A lot of trailers are using them, a lot of fifth wheels. We do have something that's a power up. You hit your auto level system. You can actually manual override if one sinks a little bit overnight. The next day you want to pop it up. It also has a hitch height. So as you take this off manually and you pull away from your truck, you hit your hitch height to that point. Then once your truck is gone, you hit that auto level system. It does its own thing, levels out everything. As you're done, you hit retract all, everything comes back. You hit hitch height and it goes right to where you disconnected. So now you have your perfect pin height to reload back up again after your vacation. So easy setup. We'll walk through that with you. I do like do have the slam latch doors, or nice thick insulated doors. As we look around the other side, we're going to show you that is actually there is a heating vent inside that storage area that's going to keep things warm inside that storage area so it doesn't get brittle and crack. Up front, your kingpin, you do have your nice LED lights. Again, I love how they do this. Same thing as we see on your clean out location, but just for nighttime hookup. You can see what's going on. You can watch everything coming together as you're hooking up. Your generator compartment, so you can put a generator in here. It would be an LP run generator, aftermarket. We do that here at Motorsportsland. And there's your battery compartments right there with your vented box. Coming around again, second 7.5 gallon tank. We do have, once again, metal latch doors. You see a lot of those being plastic, and we just enhance that by slam latch doors, solid, insulated. I mean, just a really easy lift and magnet hold. And up underneath here, there is a heat vent we talked about, a nice good set of storage up inside of there. This is the tankless water heater. You can see the copper kettle in there, but we'll talk more about the tankless water heaters, instant hot water. I mean, that's really the basics it comes down to. Makes it simple, easy, and does not waste a lot of water waiting for hot water to get to your faucet, as we all know. Coming inside here, we'll actually take a look at some of the features and benefits and your floor plan. Okay guys, we're inside this 26RD, east to West Blackthorn. I'm gonna show you this back dinette. I think it's pretty cool looking. Just having the vast amount of windows back here, cross breeze, visual, sitting here having a cup of coffee or a bowl of cereal and just looking out and seeing some deer in a meadow somewhere. I love this. This whole window slides open. The window coverings, as we kind of talked about too, just very easy. I mean, this is one finger, barely even moving this to drop that for privacy, and these come together on the sides, just as simple. Love it. The privacy windows are just absolutely fantastic. They're very, very easy to use. Going into the recliners, this would look into either a couch, a trifold, or the recliners. Now the recliners are very easy to use, just a little drawstring, pop out, kick back. Right across from here is going to be your entertainment center. So you have a full-size 55-inch, I believe, TV. This is on an extension mount, so this is just clipped together for travel. You unclip this, you can pull this out. If you're sitting at the dinette wanting to watch the news, you can actually turn that to the dinette. Makes it very simple. Just pull this out. You have full view of the TV from the dinette. Love the counter space. Once again, just a quick drawstring on the window there, and they open. Cross breeze, get rid of a little bit of residual smoke if you're cooking in here. So we have a lot of counter space set up here as well. Coffee pot set up. You do have your light underneath here, a plug here, a plug here, and a plug here. I just think that's fantastic. A lot of, if you look into that and you're looking for different devices, air fryers, coffee makers, griddles, stuff like that, you definitely need those plugs and outlets. Like for your extension to your cabinets right there, your countertop, nice little stove and the oven. Not a full size by any means, but for what we do for camping ovens, does help quite a bit for cooking. Just love the storage throughout, all these drawers. I mean, you're looking at plywood. This is actually solid wood. It's not the particle board. It's not any cheap part. There's a split board. This is actually really, really well put together. No particle board throughout all of this. And going into this refrigerator, 12-volt refrigerator, I think it's a fantastic with the chest freezer on the bottom. It's a little switch up from regular RV refrigerators, but something added to this is that it's a dual open side refrigerator, which is, I think, absolutely fantastic. So you want to get in from that way, this way, there's no wrong way. I mean, it's just pretty cool setup and seals up nicely. This is what I love. My wife loves it too. She's checked these out, and the pantry is bar none. Just massive pantry. You can move these shelves however you need to fit any appliances or any pots and pans, etc. Now, coming up to the bedroom, you do have a king size bed. Now, what I love about this too is you actually have outlets there, outlets on this side, outlets behind you with all USB ports set up. You have an air conditioning in here. This is part of your 50 amp service, AC in the bedroom, AC in the main living area. Once again, quick and easy blinds to open up, and both have screens. And this is going to be your open window. This is going to be your emergency exit. So setting this up right here, this will open up, that'll open up. You get a cross breeze through here. Very simple, easy to use. I just love this. I can't speak enough about those slides, but it really makes it easy. If you want a TV, there is a TV backer location right here. Solid area. You have your plugs and everything set up for your television location, plus your thermostat control. And going into the closet, you do have a motion sensor light in here. You got your 3 drawers set up down below for plenty of storage. Access panel for the other side of the plumbing for the actual shower, which easy access panel if you ever needed to. But just nice big hanging closet, and that light will shut off after a moment of time. And going into the bathroom, we'll go check the bathroom out. Hi guys, we're in the shower. This is comfortable, plenty of room. I'm 270 pounds. I'm about 6 foot tall, and I've got plenty of room to work with in here. So all those guys who want to come in and check out, walk through this, please do. Come check this out. I think it'll be a surprise. I've got quite a bit of headroom in here because there is a skylight in here as well. Slider doors, very simple and easy. The latch lock on the inside. It does come with a toilet paper holder, porcelain toilet, and you get your vanity or you get your sink, everything set up in here. Hey guys, once again, Frank with Motorsportsland. We'd love to have you come down the lot. We'll walk you through anything you want to see. We've got a lot here to look at, a lot to offer, and I think you'd just feel great about just the way we treat people here. We'll see you on the lot.